How to verify Cash App account. If you are unable or unwilling to provide an ID to verify your Cash App account, you can still confirm your identity. First of all, open the Cash App on your mobile device and log into your account using your email address or phone number. Once you are logged in, navigate to the settings menu within the app. You can usually find this option by tapping on your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. Then in the settings menu, look for the personal or personal information section. Here you'll find the option to verify your account using alternative methods. Then instead of providing an ID, you may have the option to verify your identity using your social security number. Enter your social security number when prompted and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the verification process. In some cases, Cash App may ask you to provide additional information to verify your account. This could include answering security questions or providing details about your financial history. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.